straight down. Is it okay to use the water in the house?
Yep.
Okay.
You'll be all set.
You guys are getting this done fast with the weather. Pipes, plastic, double-A plastic. Yeah, they got all this to go. I don't think they'll get here today, but tomorrow they'll finish it up. This is their central paving. Find us in Trans-Western Yellow Pages. All phases of blacktop and concrete. They're not going to do Dean Street. This is just for Parry Street as far as I know. I like to put one of these on this street every day. They come in the neighborhood at about, I think about 5:30 in the morning they arrive. And then they call it quits at 4 p.m. That was pretty cool. One week of nice weather, though, they've really progressed on this project. Even though I hate using the word progressed. There goes the neighbor. Gonna do some digging. So I would imagine that phase 2 once they're done putting new pipes in to all the houses on Parry Street, phase 2 will be to blacktop the whole road. They're going to crush it all up, blacktop it real nice, put new curbing up on everything, and then phase 3 will be the landscaping. Or they'll do the landscaping the same time they do the blacktop. Should not be walking on my foot, but then again, I really don't care. This house here, I'm really wishing they would tear down. It's been empty now for what, 2 years? A little more than 2 years. I mean, sell it, remodel it, or tear it down. Piled it right in. Yeah. Pretty good. At least I got less to mow now. Packed it right down. Nice and solid. But they're also going to put in new sidewalk and everything, so that'll be nice. Maybe they'll make this area a driveway. Oh, that's a big thundercloud. They said no thunderstorms today.